Good day, everyone. Welcome back once again to 𝙲𝚑𝚊𝚛𝚕𝚎''. And we want to proceed with our class on gas law. In our last episode of this teaching, we're able to look at a question on Boyle's law. And in today's class, we want to look at a question on Charles' law. And from what we have on the board, we analyze the question, just like I said. We analyze the question, we see what we are given, and we see what we are looking for. And with what we have on the board, let's check it together. We say, a sample of gas has a volume of 500 centimeter cube. That means a volume is given. Let's call it V1, 500 centimeter cube at 45 degrees Celsius. Degrees Celsius is a unit of measurement of temperature, which means my T1 is 45 degrees Celsius. And mind you, whenever you are dealing with gas laws, you always convert your temperature from degrees Celsius to Kelvin. And every 1 degree Celsius is equivalent to 273 Kelvin. So we work with that. It means we are going to add 273 to this degrees Celsius. And we are going to be having, this is 8, this is 318 Kelvin. Yeah, 318 Kelvin. Now, reading further, it says, what volume? So we are looking for the second volume. Will the gas occupy at 0 degrees Celsius when the new temperature is 0 degrees Celsius? Adding 273 to convert it to Kelvin, we'll be having 273 Kelvin. So with this, we can move further to say that when the pressure is constant, and we all know, whenever pressure is said to be constant, it means we are dealing with Charles' law. And what does the Charles' law say? Mathematically, Charles' law says, we just say, it says that V1 over T1 equal to V2 over T2. So working with this, what is my V1? My V1 is 500 centimeter cube over my T1, which is 318 Kelvin, equals my V2, which I don't know, all over my T2, which is 273 Kelvin. So working with this, if I cross multiply this, V2 multiplies 318 Kelvin. So we have V2 times 318 Kelvin, which will be equal to 500 centimeter cube multiplied 273 Kelvin. So we have 500 centimeter cube multiplying 273 Kelvin. 273 Kelvin. But with this, since V2 is what we are looking for, with what we have up here, it means we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of V2. And from what we have on the board, the coefficient of V2 is 318 Kelvin. So we just say, divide both sides by 318 Kelvin. So we are going to have V2 times 318 Kelvin over 318 Kelvin, which is equal to 500 centimeter cube multiplied by 273 Kelvin, all divided by 318 Kelvin. So with this, we are going to say 318 Kelvin cancel 318 Kelvin. It means V2 will be equal to Kelvin cancel out Kelvin here. So we have 500 centimeter cube multiplies 273 all over 318. So with this, my V2 will be equal to, so we check to see how many times will 318 in 318 is 1. But it will go in 500 one time. Put your decimal point. That means it will be remaining 82. Yes, it will remain 82. So it will go in 820. 318 will go in 820 two times. That's in 636. It will go 636 times. That's in 636. We have 4. 11 minus 3, we have 8. So approximately we should be having 1,840 divided by 318. So this should be approximately 1.3. So I'll be having 1.3 centimeter cube multiplied by 273. So in other words, I'll be having V2 to be equal to 273 times 1.3. This is 9, 21, 2, 6, 8, 1, 3, 7, 2. So we have 9, 4, 5, 3. 354.9 centimeter cube. So with this, remember, we always say that at 𝚲𝚊𝚅 Consult, we are looking at training the future generation without the use of calculator. So, and that is what we've just done here now. We've been able to solve this question without the use of calculator. So once again, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the like button. Thank you once again for watching 𝚲𝚊𝚅 Consult videos. We love you. We love you all.